with me. Come north to me. Step up now. Full the C. Step up, let them engage, okay?
They're going east and north. No, they're going far east and north. South east.
Okay, cue the tanks in front of us. Step down the choke, movies. Somebody relay what we're doing, please. Yo,
Yes.
Spread now.
Moving northeast.
Spread, boys, spread. Be ready east. Just keep pocket east. Tanks, slow them down. Be ready, boys.
Looking.
3, 2, 1. Southeast buzzing. Southeast, everything southeast.
You have 1 minute until escalation.
Lead at you, boys. Come on. Walk through and CC them. Just walk through. Don't fear. Do not fear, you fucking vermin. Boots and go. Leapfrog down, southeast. Demons up.
Heals.
Q. Potion, motherfucker. Potion and move. Push down the road east.
10 seconds.
Up the road east. On the road, boys. On the road, moving up.
They're broken.
People are getting queued out.
Finish the shit here with me, boys.
Escalation is going to be in 30 seconds.
Chicks has 30% in woods. 30% chicks in woods. So they're taking Q.
Gunhead northeast of us.
Escalation should be
One
joining
screen
with you in
from you.
Come towards the cabbage, boys. Southeast towards the cabbage.
Strong. It's just Mac on the hideout.
Come through the cabbage, boys. Through the cabbage.
I'm going to follow
Okay,
Army
hit
Bears.
that.
They are mounting up.
Dismantle me, boys. Step up. Be ready, boys. Walk west. Make him cost you. Be ready?
Army Bear has dismounted as well.
Defense is front.
Delete it.
Got Army Bears on ping here.
Back away southeast a bit.
They have a bomb spot to the northwest side.
Okay, come west here. Kill the healers here. And back away southeast. What's the HP on the highway?
Army Bears coming in for a bomb.
Come southeast. Demon now, and come east. Coming where for bomb, retard?
From west,
Sorry,
they
southwest.
just bomb from west. They bomb
They're
from west.
looking.
Stay here, boys. Step.
Engage.
Ready northwest in 3, 2, 1. Hard west, boys. Hard west, baby. Send the shit home. There you go. Walk through to me. Clean this shit up. Clean this shit up fast. Ratapok on me. Kill the Ratapok. Get me that greasy choco fuck. Move west, come on.
They still have a bomb squad northeast of the hideout.
Move west. West, boys.
They're looking for a turn.
Defense, demon out. In 3, 2, 1. To the west now. Easy go, boys. Northwest. Okay, listen. Now we need to GTFO. GTFO, boys. GTFO now. Flows behind us. GTFO southwest.